we're gonna disconnect this connection cable. Be careful of the sharp edge here. You might want to wear gloves. Next, you're gonna take this bolt off over here. Just be careful, they're sharp edges, so take this as slow as you want or wear gloves. Next, take your new igniter Next, we're going to tighten up the bolt. Once you have that nice and snug, then take the wire and plug it in. Make sure it's firmly connected. Next, take your cover and line it up with the two hinges. Then click it into place. Take your guards, your screw, stick it back in there. Now grab your screwdriver and tighten it up. Next, grab your door, make sure the hinges go into place. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell to never miss another helpful video.